Wait.
Okay, here's Taylor going with her scooter. Alright, go ahead. Hurry, I don't know how much time I have left on this. Oh, there she goes, and she's off up the block.
Turn around, come back. You don't have the turning down yet.
I see. Come on. Oh, here she comes.
That's great, Taylor.
Good job, Taylor.
If you go